Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be using the Juvias Place Warrior 3 palette to create this look, and I hope you guys enjoy, and let's get into it. So I'm going to start off by taking the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer in the color Tan. I'm going to apply that as a base for my eyeshadow. Next, I'm going to be taking the Juvias Place Warrior 3 palette, and with the fluffy shader brush, the one I'm using is from BH Cosmetics number 141. I'm just going to be taking that yellow shade and packing that into 1/3 of my eyelid. Next, I'm going to be flipping the same brush over, and with the orange shade, I'm going to blend it in with the yellow and focus that on the center of my lid. And then I'm going to be going in with this red shade, and I'm just going to place it at the outer portion of our lid, deepening up our crease. So I wanted to add more color and definition to the outer part of our lid, so I went in with the purple and put it right on top of the red we placed, and you just want to make sure to blend the two colors together. Now with a makeup remover wipe, I'm just cleaning up the edges so I can have that sharp cut line at the corner of my eye. Now taking the same concealer, I'm going to be cutting my crease with this, and I had to do this off camera because it was a bit hard to film. Now taking the sparkly blue shade, I'm going to be putting that in the inner portion of where we cut our crease. Now to add an extra step, I'm going to be taking this green color and placing it right next to the blue, and you want to make sure that the colors are blended well. And again with the purple, we're just going to be deepening up our crease, and we want to make sure that the green and purple just blend effortlessly together. We don't want it to look too muddy. Now you want to go back and clean up any fallout you had for the eyeshadow. And with this NYX felt tip liner, I'm going to be lining my eyes and making a pretty dramatic wing. I usually like to start by flicking the wing out and filling it in as I go. Now I'm taking Maybelline's Great Lash Mascara and putting a nice coat on my lashes. Now taking your favorite pair of eyelashes, I had to adjust the length on these. You want to place them as close to the lash line as possible. And now your eyes should be finished. Now for foundation and concealer, I'm going to be using the IT Cosmetics Full Coverage Cream and the Maybelline Age Correcting Concealer, and I'm going to be applying that with a Morphe Beauty Blender. Now I'm going to be taking the Sephora Bright Set Powder in the color Banana and setting my foundation and concealer. Next, I'm going to be taking the ColourPop Blush Stick in the color Mini Me, and I'm going to be applying that to the cheeks and blending it into my skin. Just to try to add some warmth to my face, I'm going to be taking the Tarte bronzer and I'm going to be applying that to my cheekbones. Now taking my Mineralized Skin Finish by MAC in the color Soft and Gentle, we're going to be using this as a highlighter and placing it right above the cheekbones. Now using whatever pink lipstick you have, mine happens to be by MAC, I'm going to be placing that in the inner portion of our lips. Now taking the Tarte lip paint, I'm going to be lining the outer part of my lips, just blending the two colors together. And this is the completed look. It's nice, pretty, vibrant, and colorful. It's definitely out of my realm, but I think it turned out nice, and I hope you guys liked it. So I just want to say thank you for making it this far to my first video. I'm really doing this because I enjoy it, and you know, hope y'all do too.